Google, one of the leading companies in the area of artificial intelligence, will begin to allow customers to directly use their custom processors for technology starting in October. Google TPUs, or tensile processing units, speed up artificial intelligence tasks, such as understanding voice commands or recognizing objects in photos. Today, Google will allow you to pay to do that kind of work on your cloud computing infrastructure. Google will allow programmers to install TPUs on their own machines. You can also get many benefits of intelligent decision-making in real time at the point where these devices connect to the network, without having to wait for a trip through the network to Google machines. Their sensors become more than data collectors, they make local decisions, in real time and smart. AI, also often called machine learning or deep learning, and the use of a brain-inspired technology called neural networks, is a profound change for computing. It allows people to train computers using real-world data and discover patterns for themselves, such as what a pedestrian looks like in front of a driverless car or how to choose the correct exposure for a sunset photo. Although Google's chips are leaking from their data centers, they do not go as far as some. There is a race for artificial intelligence chips that will work on phones and other mobile devices,